Hello guys, in this video I'll show you Gemini has released a new desktop application for their Mac users. If you directly go to Google, simply type here Gemini desktop app. So they have released this official upgrade which is really insane. If you are on Mac, you can directly install this Gemini for Mac operating system, a native AI desktop official application. So if you go to gemini.google.com, so it's actually available as a desktop app for Mac operating system only. So for Windows, it will be released in future, but for as of now, if you are in a Mac device, you can click the download for Mac button, and it will just download this file for you, the .dmg file. So once you install this inside your Mac device, it will directly be added just 78.4 megabytes. This is the size of the file here. So it will directly be added directly as you see inside my Windows machine. This is Google Chrome browser. Ask Gemini. We can toggle this and start the chat directly right here. So each and every browser of Google Chrome has this option, Ask Gemini. So as soon as you click this, as soon as you install this, this will also be added directly inside your Mac operating system as a context window. So once you right click share window, you can also share this window directly with Google Chrome, directly pass on the information. You can also create images directly. So once you add this desktop application inside your Mac device, you can right click, simply that option will be generated, create image, create video, create music through AI. So that direct option will be there inside your Mac operating system. So right here, as soon as you do this, you ask any sort of question. So Gemini replies to us. So So Gemini app is available at no cost. So this actually doesn't cost anything. It's totally free to download, and you can directly use the Gemini app as a desktop app in Mac operating system. So it's available in all the languages and all the countries where the Gemini app is supported. So you simply access it directly inside your Mac. You come to the website, directly download this. So once you download that, the app will be added directly as a option right inside your desktop in the dock screen. You can directly share the screen as well. Click the Add Files and Tools button and click the Share window, and you can share the. Similarly, you have the option here, Gemini for Mac operating system. You can add the current apps like this. You can ask here which countries support this. So you can see Ask Gemini. This is option is available to all the Google Chrome browsers. Similarly, this is this desktop update is released just 2 weeks back. So it's available in all the languages, as you see, in all the countries where Gemini is supported. You can directly download this from the official Gemini for Mac. So definitely check out this update, guys. It's really insane update for all the Mac operating systems. Users can download this application directly as a desktop application.